Hello and welcome to the Mike Less Farmhand Mike YouTube channel, bringing you some of the biggest and best variety and definitely the most versatile farming content on social media today. You can find me on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Farmhand Mike.
When you're running combine and have that view over there, that's just pretty awesome. That's almost as awesome as watching that Mike Less guy on YouTube.
That is one good-looking tractor in green. Hey everyone, I am out in a cotton field near the town of Snyder, Oklahoma. Snyder, Oklahoma is down in the southwestern part of the state of Oklahoma, and this is my second cotton harvest video on my YouTube channel. This was filmed on Halloween Day, and I just did a video with 4 John Deere stripper balers, and that was just a field over from here. But before the sunset, I was able to get over here and show you something a little different. In the last cotton harvest video, all the cotton harvesters had a round baler on them and were making round bales or a round module of cotton that was wrapped in plastic and ejected in the field. This process here is how cotton has been harvested for many years. Still a lot of farms doing it this way. They are using a John Deere 7460 self-propelled cotton stripper, and it has a basket on the back. So they are blowing this cotton back into this basket, and this basket dumps. Once this basket gets full, these guys will pull up with a John Deere 8400 tractor pulling a crustbuster bull buggy. They will dump the cotton into that bull buggy. When that is full, they will run over to the end of the field where they have a John Deere 8100 tractor hooked to a McElroy cotton module builder. Once the cotton is dumped into the module builder, there is a press on the machine where they can push the cotton back and forth to level it and then pack it down and press it. Once the module of cotton is built, it can be tarped, and then later a truck will come with like a live floor on it back under the module and can haul that cotton to the cotton gin for processing. In this video, you will see the entire process as they harvest the cotton, dump it into the buggy, haul it to the end of the field, and build the module. Now, some of my terminology may not be correct in this video. I have not been around a lot of cotton harvest in my lifetime, so I'm learning too, but I am glad to be out here and able to film this and bring it to my YouTube channel. Now the cotton harvester or cotton stripper you see here is going to be a lot less money than the ones with the baler on it. There's more labor involved here, is more manpower and so forth, where the other one can be a one-man show where one guy can go out there, he can harvest the cotton, and it'll make the bales or the round modules, and they can just eject them at the end of the field or in the field, and then someone can come back later and pick those up. So this one's going to take a guy in the cotton harvester, one running the tractor in the bull buggy, and another guy on the press. Now, if you did not see my other cotton harvest video, I will put the link to that at the end of this one. As I travel through the cotton areas, it looks like the cotton pickers or strippers with the baler on it or the round module builder are more popular, but I know there's still a lot of guys across the country harvesting cotton just like you see here. I guess one disadvantage to doing it this way is if you had a windy day when you're dumping that cotton, you would risk losing some cotton in the wind, where the stripper or the picker with the baler on it, all that's done internally, so that would save some cotton that way. Anyways, before the sunset, I got several good drone shots and on the ground shots, so let's watch these guys harvest cotton. So there's an operator in the cab of this cotton module builder, and he will run this press back and forth. So there's going to be a shot coming up here where they dump cotton in here, and you'll see him use this to level that cotton out, and then he's pressing it down right now, building that module. Once this module is complete, it'll be tarped, and then a truck will come out from the cotton gin that has a live floor, and it'll back under this and then haul it to the cotton gin. And here's a look at a module of cotton that was built and tarped at the end of the field. Now, I am sure somebody's going to ask me why he's not taking a full 6 rows here. I really don't know the answer other than I figure this is going to be good for the comment section. But I think we all have to agree, just looking at the sky, it's a very beautiful evening to be out in a cotton field. going to do it for this video. I hope everyone enjoyed it. Feel free to comment below and hit that like button. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please go down there and hit that subscribe button and check back often. I have a lot of good farming content still yet to edit and come to my YouTube channel. And if you want to see more of what I'm doing, you can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. As always, thanks for watching and supporting my social media.